Today I'm making something a little bit different. I wear rings, right? Because I'm that weird dude that wears rings. So what I'm gonna do is make a cool way for me to store all of my rings out of sight, out of mind, and have them presented in a cool and unique way. Here's the plan. I'm going to use servos to lift the platform. I'm going to use a photocell to detect light, which will trigger that platform lifting. And then I'm going to use a switch to actually lower that platform. I do also think I'll probably try to add an LED, see what that looks like. So let's make a ring display box thingy. So I want to get started by adding the photocell to the circuit so that I know I can control things based on the light values. I will need a resistor to use the photocell properly. Now that I have the light feature working, I want it to activate the servo motors. With the servos working, I added a push-button switch and ambient LED. I measured all of the components and 3D modeled an enclosure with a lifting platform. I used my Bambu Lab P1P to 3D print the 6 pieces. I'm going to test some of the 3D printed pieces to see if the servos can actually lift the platform that'll hold the rings. Then I should be able to block out the light on the photocell and lift up all the rings. It's working. I'll have a button press which will lower the rings. Yep, that's hot. The circuit is working. That's good. Now it's time to get everything soldered together into a more permanent, nice and neat fashion. The proto board keeps everything organized and centralized around the Arduino. I 3D modeled a spot for each component to fit snug within the enclosure. So now that I've got everything put together, I'm just going to upload some code, make some tweaks, and it should be up and running. Moment of truth. Oh.